guys, what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando, where we've been invited out to take a tour of the construction site of Penguin Track. Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and see what's going on. And we're just coming off of the President's Day holiday, so not too bad. And you know what time it is. It's time for the Sky Tower. Time to get those bird's eye views.
Safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
Parking lot's empty.
Our water park hosts the most water slides. None of
That
this would
one.
be possible without the continued support.
Must be any closer.
Visit the information counter. We hope that you have enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld Sky.
Here we go. I feel like we're going inside like Willy Wonka's gates.
We go under the track, or go inside in what we call the show box, and walk in reverse out of the queue and end up right back here where we'll do a little Q&A. And along the way, as we make each stop, just like right here, I'm going to give you an opportunity to walk. Images here I'm going to refer to, but launch one is where you escape the icy trail inside. So you come out of what we call the show box, launch out at 31 miles per hour. Adjacent to us, that's the right arm stadium, and the more evergreen palette that we have down before on the rock board, inside the building on our next stop. It's very natural. That's about us as explorers going out to see things in their natural habitat. So the look, the feel, the
Sway?
Hello, hello. Please follow me and Jeanette and all our buddies here as we go inside. We're going down the sidewalk, which is to my left.
Presentation.
Environment, allowing you, the seals, and the sea lions to enjoy the scenery that they like.
On the right-hand side, that's where you've made the entrance. Just a huge vista view. So you've been inside of a rock tunnel, and you come out view of the natural environment of the penguins. Now, this is where it gets a little scary. So as you see right here, where I'm pointing to the lower right.
It's a small world.
Yeah, is where the big, they call it the rainbow waterfall was.
They were asking about you. Yes. Actually, some people were really curious. They were asking about the
Make sure your neck is stretched out if you like Penguin Trek, everybody. Alright, looks like they like Penguin Trek. Well, that's going to do from SeaWorld Orlando for the Penguin Trek update. And thanks to SeaWorld Orlando, we were able to go inside the construction area today. Very cool, but first we had to make a stop at Sky Tower, of course, for a bird's eye view of the site, where we got to see the pathways being built up there. And yeah, it was pretty awesome, yeah. And A++ to the views inside of the site. We got to see the track there up close and, you know, inside of the building. And yeah, got to see the train, the queue line. Everything was looking pretty awesome. Overall, the project looks to be quite on track. Penguin Trek, if you might add. But yeah, guys, we hope to be back soon for even more updates. And so if you like what we do, follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!